Welcome everyone. I am here to present our product called FinTech Tank, an IoT-based smart aquarium, a system designed to automate fish care even when the owner is away out for a vacation.
So this innovative aquarium ensures the healthy life environment for the fish by automating the key tasks such as water management, fish feeding and purification with minimal human intervention.
Now let us briefly understand about one of the key features that are provided in FinTech Tank, that is automatic water management system. This system is integrated with two key components, that are water level sensor along with the inlet and outlet. Coming to the aquarium, these two aquariums are placed at the top and the bottom of the aquarium, indicating the minimum and maximum level of the water in the aquarium. Whenever the sensor reaches the minimum level of the water, the inlet pump gets activated and the water flows into the aquarium. Wherein the second sensor that is placed at the top of the aquarium reaches the maximum level of the water and prevents it from overflowing of the water in the aquarium, ensuring the healthy and safety environment for the fish. And for instance, let's suppose 2 days. After 2 days, the water gets impure, and this impure water gets automatically drained out of the aquarium with the help of the outlet pump that is connected to the aquarium. Coming up with the next important feature in our FinTech Tank is automatic food feeding system. The feeding mechanism works with the help of the servo motor that is used to control the rotating of the feeding container to dispense the food into the aquarium. Coming to the last but not the least automation in our project, that is water purification. We use a water purifier in this project that activates for every 5 minutes to maintain the oxygen levels in the aquarium for the healthy survival of the fish. Let us give a moment to discuss about the advantages of the FinTech Tank. Realizing the major challenges faced by the pet owners in their busy lifestyle, we came up with an automated solution. This system addresses the major challenges faced by the pet owners, ensuring that the fish has necessary care and utmost attention even when the owners are unavailable. Well, in summary, our FinTech Tank is the perfect solution for the fish owners, offering peace of mind and performing the critical tasks such as water management, food feeding and purification even in the absence of the owner. Thank you for watching this video.